PowerPlanet.com/Puppy Bowl. Indigo is asking for an intentional grounding penalty. The crowd is calling foul on display. The fans out here in the parking lot are looking for a flag. Sissy and Jake want an interference call. Harry can't even watch the replay.
Ow!
No call on the play. The ref is going to let it go.
Huh?
Esso takes it hard. Not a popular decision with these fans. No foul. The play continues. This is a physical game, but the players are all in top form. Hosey is trying to get a hold of the ball. Will she make a run for it? Madeline and Sawyer seem to be taking a break from the game for a little dancing. Indigo and Matilda are at it again on the 35.
Puppy foul. Intentional grounding on Indigo.